What's up guys, back over here in the garage, and today let me show you what I got going on. So this thing started to look like a bike. I went ahead and put in the tires on it off camera, and I was struggling because I couldn't find this little adapter here for the quick release, but I was able to find it. So this is gonna go with the good XM490 rear hub and front hub as well, and whoever gets it might be able to use these wheels on a later on project, because they can just get the adapter to make it into a Boost 141. So that's a good thing. It's ready to go, and I think I am going to be sacrificing this drivetrain. I'm just gonna go ahead and put in the original Axe group setting here. So let's go ahead and get started on that, and I'm gonna make it in a time lapse because I also gotta put in the disc brakes, and I don't know what brakes I'm gonna put in here, so let's just stay in the video and watch the process. Other than that, let's ride, enjoy the music and the time lapse. All right, so I got everything that I need from this bike. I got the cassette, derailleur, chain, and shifter. The only thing I gotta watch out for is if the chain is gonna fit and if the cable is gonna be long enough. If not, I'm gonna have to figure that out. But other than that, let's go ahead and put the Axum back in here and start putting these components on it. Well, I got a mess, but good thing this thing is ready to go. It's shifting well. Just gotta cut the cable. It was longer than I anticipated it to be, so that's good. Cut it, put the little thing in there. I already got cable management with the black zip types right there, so everything's good in order. Gotta cut this. Brakes, I ended up going with the mechanical brakes, so we're gonna have to do with that. They're good enough. So for now, this bike is completed and ready to go. So I will keep you posted once I got this sold, if it sells. And I don't know if since I still have it and I have never used that fork before, I might do a fork review, so stay tuned for that if that happens. If not, then oh well. But that's gonna wrap it up for this one, guys. Again, this is almost stock. I mean, it has a different handlebar, different stem. It has a different fork, Holotech crankset with all that, and everything else other than that. It's got the same wheels, however upgraded with the cruiser hub, which is a good upgrade right there, and they can take them with them whenever they go to another bike because they're boost ready, 141 boost ready, so that's a good thing right there. And other than that, that's gonna wrap it up for the Schwinn Axum, and I guess I'll see you on the trails. Let's ride. Goodbye.